Welcome to Ava's way of making callaloo and saltfish. Let's get started. First, gather all your ingredients. Make sure you wash everything, even what's in the cans. With the fish, you want to remove any excess salt by letting it sit in water for a few minutes before you start. May have to do it a few times, or boil some water and add the fish in there.
Get your oil hot and ready. You should have everything cut up already.
Let's get cooking. Ingredients: 1 can callaloo, some saltfish a good amount, 1 sprig thyme, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 2 fresh garlic, 1 tablespoon margarine or vegetable oil, tomatoes, onion, and bell pepper. Now, let's move on to the cooking process. Step 1. In a large skillet, heat the margarine or vegetable oil over medium heat. Add in the garlic and garlic powder. Step 2. Add in the onion and bell pepper and other vegetables. Cook until the vegetables are tender. Step 3. Add in the callaloo and saltfish and cook for about 5 to 8 minutes, stirring occasionally. Step 4. Season with whatever you like or just copy what I added. It doesn't require a lot of effort or seasoning. And serve hot. And there you have it, your delicious callaloo and saltfish Ava's way. Enjoy!